Hello guys and welcome back to my channel again. So in this video we will talk about YouTube Shorts monetization in 2023. How to turn on monetization on YouTube Shorts. So recently, just like a week ago, YouTube has announced that now they will pay you for your YouTube Shorts videos. So if you don't know what are the short videos are like a maximum of 60 seconds vertical video that you have seen on TikTok and Instagram Reels. So they recently announced that now you can earn money from your YouTube Shorts. So in this video I will tell you that how you can turn on the monetization for YouTube Shorts. So first of all, you have to go into your YouTube Studio, and after going into the YouTube Studio, you will click on this earn button here. And now you can see that we have like many ways to earn, and in those ways we have one way to short feed ads, earn from ads and YouTube Premium in the shorts feeds. These are basically the short videos, but there are little bit requirements before you can eligible for monetization. The first one is actually to get 1000 subscribers. I have like 4.2k, so that's good. And then I must have at least 4000 hours of watch time, which I don't have. And for enabling the monetization on this shorts feed ads, we must have at least 10 million views on our shorts. So once we achieve this milestone, then we will see the get started button here, and then we will click on that one, and then we just have to fill a form, and then our monetization will be on our shorts videos, and then we can start earning money from our shorts videos. So guys, if you find this video useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video.